3D printed homes, affordable and sustainable living. The housing crisis is a global issue, but 3D printed homes may offer a solution that's both affordable and sustainable. With the ability to construct a house in just a few days, 3D printing technology is poised to revolutionize construction, reducing costs, waste, and build times significantly. Companies like Icon and APIScore are leading the way, using large-scale 3D printers to create homes layer by layer with materials like concrete or biodegradable plastics. This method drastically cuts down on manual labor and minimizes waste compared to traditional construction methods. Affordability is a key advantage. By streamlining the process, these homes can be built for a fraction of the cost of conventional housing, making homeownership more accessible worldwide. This is crucial in regions facing housing shortages or affected by natural disasters, where quick, cost-effective solutions are needed. Sustainability is another major benefit. Many 3D printed homes are designed with energy efficiency in mind, using materials with excellent thermal properties and incorporating renewable energy systems like solar panels. These homes aren't just cheaper to build, they also have lower long-term energy costs, benefiting both homeowners and the environment. As the technology evolves, we can expect entire neighborhoods of 3D printed homes popping up around the world, offering a glimpse into the future of affordable, sustainable living.